This is a saw I just picked up today. It's a future project. It's an Italian made saw. Pretty funky looking. This is Bilea, I believe. I'm not positive right there. And Parosa. Not sure if you can see it, sorry. This is the heaviest one I've got. I've got a couple of two-man twin cylinders and they're not as heavy as this. It's an Italian made saw anyway. Just got it. It's got really good compression, nice scratcher chain. I picked it up off a fellow who brought it in from Germany. It's got spark. I'll get to it eventually. Anyway, if anybody can give me any information on it, on the Chainsaw Collector Corner SE, I found 2 pictures of them, but no information. So again, if anybody can help me with any information, be greatly appreciated. When you Google it, you get nothing. Anyway, just a quick look. Thanks so much. Bye for now.